Well, I think it's important to study political science in 2024 because we live in such a complex environment and you need to understand the big picture. You need to understand how to conceptualize the world, and basically political science provides a lot of information, how to structure your thoughts and to actually have an impact on this world. So I believe it's really important to study this and to make sure that you have a nice analytical grid to then be an operating analyst in this world. I will tell students that want to pursue a career at IFC that it's an exciting opportunity to have an impact on this world, to pursue the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals agenda, with a global outreach, an international career, and very exciting opportunities to work on projects that have a real impact, both on a sector-wise perspective and also on a geographic-wise perspective.
We see all this polarization that is happening all over the world, and I think political science is precisely putting evidence into politics, and that is the crucial element that we at the OECD have as a principle. Every policy should be based on evidence, and political science is precisely about that, using tools and analytics to take the best political decisions. OECD is an institution that provides advice for improving policies to improve lives. So obviously it's a very attractive place for people that want to pursue a career first in government and then in the OECD, or vice versa. We have a lot of exchange between governments and policies. The OECD is a very interesting and very good place to work, where you challenge yourself every day with new topics that policymakers are facing every day.